today's video is in collaboration with Mirenesse, and we're going to be talking about their Thermal Wrap and Repair hair mask. This is literally a one-of-a-kind product. It is a salon-grade hair mask that you can use in the comfort of your own home. The results are immediate after first use, and it is actually incredible. So in today's video, I'm going to go through and tell you all about the hair mask, show you a demo, show you my before and afters, because they are actually amazing. I'm telling you, this stuff has changed my hair in one use. Literally one use and my hair was a million times better. So you guys just stay tuned to see it in action, and also stay to the very end because Mirenesse and I are giving away to 5 lucky winners these hair masks. So stay tuned, let's get into the video. So I think we all know by now that I'm a bottle blonde. I'm not naturally a blonde, I'm actually a brunette. So I have been getting my hair bleached for over 10 years, and you guys, bleach is like the worst thing you could put on your hair. Being blonde is amazing, but also the damage it causes to your hair is just out of this world. It is just fried my hair essentially. My hair feels really like crusty, really dry. It's very brittle. I feel like it snaps easily. It's very lackluster, so it's not like super shiny, and it doesn't always look the healthiest. So I definitely need products that are going to help restore all that, because the bleach does so much damage to my hair. So this is a serum based mask, and it contains some fabulous ingredients. It has lotus flower, coconut oil, manuka honey. It even has ingredients that fight hair loss, stimulate hair growth. It's going to help with the overall texture of your hair, really smoothing out those frizzy ends. The coconut oil actually helps with split ends. Lotus flower is great for shine, so it's going to make your hair have really beautiful natural shine to it. And the manuka honey is actually amazing for your scalp and also your hair follicles. So it is jam-packed with luscious, amazing ingredients that your hair is just going to literally soak up. And I'm telling you guys, after one use, I saw such a massive difference. So you guys need to check out this mask. So it is called the Thermal Wrap and Repair Hair Mask. It is available on Mirenesse.com now. They do ship worldwide, or you can also find them on Amazon. So I'm going to get stuck into actually showing you how the mask works, showing you my before and afters. At the time I'm filming this chatty bit, I've now used it twice, and oh, I literally can't fault it. It is incredible. So I had to start off by showing you guys a side-by-side before and after. This was taken after the very first use. So it's super simple to use. First off, all you have to do is just shampoo your hair. Do not condition at this point in time, because that's what the mask is actually going to do. So just shampoo once thoroughly and rinse. Then just simply towel dry your hair. Then we're going to get the mask out. So it comes in this sort of foiled sachet packaging, and it has some instructions on the back. And the second you open it, you can smell the mask. It smells so good, and it feels really squishy because it has that much product in it. And once I actually opened the cap up and looked inside, I was shook at how much serum is in there. It's literally like a full bottle. Once I got it all open, I just twisted my hair up on top of my head just so it was easier to get the cap on. And then once you pop the cap on over your hair, it has a sticker so you can actually fasten the cap firmly around your hairline, so it's not going to fall off or slip down your face or anything like that. Once I had it all secured, I just started rubbing the product into my roots because I really wanted to get that serum around my scalp. So you can leave this mask on for as little as 5 or up to 20 minutes, whatever floats your boat. But I decided while I was waiting to use my Mirenesse Power Lift eye treatment. This is just something I like to use when I'm sort of doing a little bit of a pamper sesh, or when I feel like I need to zhuzh myself a little bit. It sort of like lifts and firms and hydrates your under eyes. It just is a really nice eye treatment, and just something that's fun to do when you've got a little bit of time on your hands. So I just sort of sat there and let the eye mask and hair mask marinate, and as I was waiting, I could feel the hair mask heating up. It's actually crazy. It's kind of like an electric blanket on your head, which is so funny, but you can really feel it getting warmer. So once the timer was up, I just took my eye patches off, went into the bathroom, and I sort of massaged the remaining product into my scalp one last time because I wanted to get all that nutrients in my hair. And once I took the mask off, I was actually shook how much serum was in my hair. There was so much in there that it made it feel really slimy, like it was totally saturated. needed. So next up, all you have to do is rinse the serum out of your hair. There is no need to shampoo or condition, just warm water and rinse all that product out. My hair already felt so much smoother when it was wet, and it just brushed through so nicely. Then I blow dried it, and once I actually got my straightener out and started straightening my hair, that's when I could really tell my hair was looking on fleek. It was so shiny, so silky, so smooth, and it just felt luscious. That is the best word I can use to describe how my hair felt. Just totally luscious. And I feel like it really helped with a lot of the breakage around my roots. Like, it seemed to refine them a lot more. So I'm excited to see what long-term benefits this mask has on my hair. I can honestly say that after using this mask, my hair feels the healthiest it has felt in years. It feels fuller, it feels silkier, it feels smoother, it feels more shiny, and it even feels brighter. It is honestly just transform my hair, and you guys have to check them out. Also check out their cosmetics. I have loved a bunch of their products for a long time now, and these are two of my favorites. So they have these cushion products. This first one is the tone correcting primer in the collagen cushion, and it is, as the name suggests, a primer that is a color correcting primer. It's one of the best I've ever used. I actually talked about this for the first time like over a year ago, so it's been a holy grail and a favorite in my makeup collection for a long time. And then I also love the caramel cushion for contouring and highlighting. This is an awesome product, and it just really chisels out your cheekbones. I have it on today. Such a lovely color, really great on my sort of complexion. And then I'm also wearing one of their lipsticks, and it is in the shade Fate, and their lipsticks are so cool. They're like the ones that have two colors, so you can do like a little bit of a lip contour, and they're a really beautiful like creamy long wear finish. I love them so much, so be sure to check them out. And also don't forget, we are giving away to 5 lucky people these hair masks. So all you have to do to enter is just comment on the video. That's it. That's how easy it is. Just comment. Don't forget to sling your sister a like, because that also helps. But comment below and I will reply to 5 people letting you know if you were a winner, and then I'll get your details and we'll go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you enjoyed seeing my results using the hair mask. I really enjoy testing out products like this, especially when they literally changed my life. So be sure to check them out. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll be talking to you all really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.